inside scoop and stay in the know. Get ready to dive into the latest updates within the USL community.
Keep yourself informed as we gather as one Louisian community. This is
USL PASSIRIMMU. Hello to all Louisians who are watching us via Facebook Live. It's an honor to share the screen with you, Chloe.
Good to see you too, Sir Kyle. Hello to our capable Louisians, the Louisian Stars and the Louisian Gems.
Hello to the faculty and students of the School of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology Education and the School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality.
Hi to the School of Education, Arts and Sciences and to the School of Health and Allied Sciences, the School of Graduate Studies and USL alumni.
We've taken our program format up a notch and PASSIRIMMU is back better than ever. Get ready to watch and listen as we now have even more amazing updates to share with you from all the exciting events and inspiring achievements we had in January and February.
Yes, Sir Kyle. What's more exciting is that our amazing Louisian correspondents are joining us to bring all the latest and greatest updates from USL. We couldn't be more excited about all that we have in store for you.
Indeed, Chloe. But before we dive into the good news, we first greet USL with a happy 58th founding anniversary and deliver our felicitations to the USL community for a successful celebration of its foundation week.
The campus was abuzz with youthful energy and passionate cheers as Louisians put their best foot forward in showing off an impressive display of talents and abilities. We will bring you the good news later, so stay tuned and don't miss out.
And the celebration does not stop here because this March is National Women's Month. Let's give a shout out and appreciation to all the incredible women in our lives.
That's right, Sir Kyle. A special salute to all the women who are making waves in their respective fields and for their unique contributions. We'd like to give a special recognition to every woman out there. Happy National Women's Month.
Let us celebrate this month together with respect, admiration, and of course, a few moments of reflection.
This celebration is just starting and we'll continue it with the delivery of all the amazing news from USL.
Get the full scoop on all the great news with our Louisian correspondents. We've got a lot of updates to share and we'd love for you to be here with us until the end.
And we are not going to make it any longer. We now share with you a series of good news here in
USL PASSIRIMMU.
Good news number 1. A huge show of enthusiasm and energy filled the main campus on February 15 to 18, 2023 as the students, faculty, staff, parents, and other stakeholders came together to celebrate the 58th founding anniversary of the University of St. Louis. With the theme Emerging in Multitude, Expanding in Mission and Excellence, Louisians get to revisit the history of USL and enjoy a variety of performances and contested activities. After a 4-day showdown, the School of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology Education defended its title as they were crowned the overall champion for this year's foundation meet. The School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality placed first runner-up, followed by the Senior High School Department as the second runner-up. Third runner-up went to the School of Education, Arts and Sciences. The fourth runner-up went to the School of Health and Allied Sciences, and the Junior High School placed fifth runner-up. Louisians have truly outdone themselves with their enthusiasm and dedication throughout the competition. Congratulations, USL!
Good news number 2. The University of St. Louis welcomed Dr. Jonathan R. Carrion, Vice President for Academics of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗙 The meeting led to exploratory talks on possible areas of collaboration and on research topics about community services and empowerment. USL also welcomed Mr. 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪�ึ International Education in Country Consultant for the Philippines on campus on February 9, 2023 for an insightful conversation on 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪�ึ in graduate studies in Canada, internationalization training, and international scholarship programs, among others.
Good news number 3. USL's Architecture Department just produced 46 new registered architects in the January 2023 Architecture Licensure Examination. The university achieved an overall institutional passing rate of 68.66%. Further, 31 Louisian Information Technology students achieved a perfect 100% passing rate in the Computer Systems Servicing National Certificate 2 CSS NC2 assessment held at ISA Peña Blanca on January 10 to 12, 2023. This impressive feat is a testament to the hard work and dedication put forth by the students and instructors alike. Congratulations to everyone!
Good news number 4. USL's Community Engagement and CICM Advocacy's Director, Mr. 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗪, received the Outstanding Individual in the Field of Environmental Award from the InstaBright publication. The event aims to recognize individuals and companies or organizations who are striving and continuously serving the world through their expertise and outstanding services. Moreover, 3 Louisian leaders were among the recipients of the Tugiger Outstanding Youth Leaders 2022, which honors the city's most notable youth leaders who have shown exemplary performance in school and community involvement. They are Mr. John Carl B. Pagulayan, BSHM alumnus and former SSC officer, Mr. James Bagkay, 𝗪𝗔𝗪𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗨 Council Socio-Cultural Coordinator, and Mr. Peter Lou L. Padilla, BSED English 2 SEIAS Council Religious Coordinator. Kudos, Louisian leaders!
Good news number 5. The University of St. Louis athletes reigned supreme as the overall champion in the 7th Catholic Educational Association of the Philippines Day and the 2023 SEAP Regional Sports and Socio-Cultural Meet held on February 6 to 8, 2023 at St. Joseph's College of Bagao Incorporated. USL amassed 76 medals consisting of 35 gold, 9 silver, and 32 bronze medals. Congratulations, athletes and coaches!
Good news number 6. Reverend 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 received the sacrament of holy orders as he was ordained to the Sacred Order of the Priesthood on January 28, 2023 at the Good Shepherd Chapel. The Louisian community sends its warmest congratulations to Father 𝗪𝗪𝗠𝗪𝗓, CICM. May your commitment and faith be an inspiration to us all.
Good news number 7. Louisian ITE students and instructors presented their research papers at the International Conference on Information Technology Education 2022, making a mark for USL and themselves in the global tech community. The conference served as an avenue for students, faculty, researchers, and industry professionals to exchange research developments in the IT industry, where all registered and presented papers will be published online with an ISSN. Congratulations to the BSIT department.
Good news number 8. Sean Cairo B. Patino from the senior high school has been recognized as the top contestant in Region 2 for getting the highest score among the region's contestants in their qualifying stage of the 25th Philippine Mathematical Olympiad held on January 14, 2023. The PMO is the oldest and most prestigious nationwide mathematics competition among secondary school students. Congratulations, Sean!
Good news number 9. Grade 8 Davin Novo from St. Lorenzo Ruiz brought home not only one but 2 medals, a silver and a bronze, in the cycling event during the Batang Pinoy 2022 National Championships held in Vigan, Ilocos Sur on December 17 to 21, 2022. Further, Siren Zoe Singayan from Grade 3 Dahlia won the bronze medal during the first Tuguegarao International Open Kyokushin Full Contact Karate Tournament held on February 19, 2023 at Robinson's Mall, Tuguegarao City. Grade 2 pupil Dimitri Romulo P. Razote also won 3rd place in the Rapid Chess Elementary Boys during the Division Chess Mini Tournament Com Technical Assistance held at the Cagayan National High School Conference Hall on February 4, 2023. Congratulations to everyone!
Good news number 10. 4th year Louisian pre-service teachers underwent a send-off ceremony on January 12, 2023 held at the Bulwagang Teodulfo Domingo, where they received their badge pins and successfully took their oath as future teachers. The day after, USL School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality also conducted its coating, pinning and candle lighting ceremony at the Good Shepherd Chapel on January 13, 2023. The said ceremony was for its 2 programs, Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting or BSMA and Bachelor of Science in Business Administration or BSBA, major in Financial Management and Marketing Management.
Good news number 11. Grade 12 students Mark Gabriel Aliado, Sean Kelvin Taganod, Justin Francesca Tudao, and Samantha Ashley Kalangan were chosen to be finalists for the 6th I Make, We Make project of the Department of Science and Technology Science Education Institute. Their project proposal is called Project Flames, Flood Alert Monitoring and Eco-Conscious Vessel Powered by Arduino System, which outlines the best available and efficient technology to safeguard volunteers and locals who are particularly vulnerable to unforeseen calamities. On the other hand, Samantha Kalangan and Christian Jello Asuncion won in the Elevate 11 Student Journalism Workshop held on January 20, 2023, where they garnered first runner-up in News Writing Filipino category and Editorial Cartooning English category, respectively. Congratulations, Louisian Gems!
Good news number 12. The United Architects of the Philippines Student Auxiliary USL Chapter conducted in-person activities for the National Architecture Week on January 19 to 21, 2023. An exhibit promoting the artworks of the architecture students at the Bishop Padilla Learning and Mission Hall headlined the event. It was also marked with seminar workshops, team-building activities, and a socialization night to celebrate the camaraderie and triumphs of the department both in academic and non-academic fields.
Good news number 13. Learning should never be put on pause. And now more than ever, the University of St. Louis is reaching out to Cagayano learners in an effort to assist, enlighten, and enable them to explore the potential career pathways available to them. The USL marketing team is visiting various schools in Cagayan for an intensive career guidance and information campaign. This provides the learners with the tools and knowledge needed for their future careers.
Good news number 14. The Junior High School Araling Panlipunan area held a seminar on January 25, 2023 at the James Tier Mir Gymnasium to provide grade 10 students with comprehensive information about freedom of speech and expression. The seminar sought to empower the youth to make informed decisions and know their rights. Further, the Society of English Enthusiasts, Supreme Ambassadors Guild of Eloquent Stars, conducted a seminar on communicative competence on January 18, 2023 at the Bulwagang Pacifico, CASEM. The seminar highlighted the elements, conventions, and strategies of public speaking.
Good news number 15. The junior high school students were all smiles as they spent their day with their families and teachers during the Family Day celebration held on January 14, 2023 at James Termier Gymnasium. It was also a day of pure joy for the senior high school students who gathered to celebrate Family Day at the USL Open Field on January 21, 2023. Students, parents, and teachers alike shared in the happiness and participated in some fun games and activities.
Good news number 16. USL SECA continues in donating books and other learning materials to the community under its outreach program called Project Kahilinungan, also known as Book Donation Drive. The project aims to assist learners in the different adopted communities in sustaining their education. Meanwhile, the Guidance and Counseling Center successfully concluded the last of the 3 parenting sessions of Project Hope for parent participants in Sitio Canlaman, San Antonio, Enrile on February 4, 2023. The 3 parenting sessions aim to assist parents through comprehensive group parenting sessions.
Good news number 17. The USL Teacher Education Instructors held a seminar workshop at St. Teresita's School of Tabuk Incorporated held on January 26, 2023. The seminar workshop is the 3rd in a series of free training programs offered by the Teacher Education Department for teachers and administrators of STS, seeking to teach tech tools relevant to 21st century learners.
Good news number 18. The USL management body came together on January 29 to 31, 2022 at Santa Ana, Cagayan for the mid-year accomplishment reporting and team building held. The 3-day convention provided the management team with an opportunity to review and assess USL's performance in the first half of the school year and strategize goals for the future.
Good news number 19. Last semester, the USL Libraries welcomed 9 interns from Cagayan State University Carrig Campus Bachelor of Library and Information Science Department. The interns completed the needed 300 hours of training in USL's basic education libraries and in the college library.
Good news number 20. USL newly inducted President Reverend Father 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏 CICM recently conducted a series of meetings with Louisian employees. The university president initiated the series of meetings in an effort to know the current state and concerns of USL's employees and soon, the students and other stakeholders of the institution.
We have just heard a series of good news about the latest achievements and happenings in the university. Our mission of constant dedication to service ensures that everyone involved has a remarkable experience.
With their unwavering commitment to teaching, learning, service, and stewardship, the University of St. Louis continues to provide its students and stakeholders with quality standards of education.
And as a lifetime mission, the university is dedicated to the integral human formation of the youth who will become mature Christians and active members of the church.
It's been a pleasure to share our good news with you all. We thank everyone who has listened and stayed with us.
Mark your calendars because we will bring even more exciting news about the university next month. This is USL PASSIRIMMU.